Hey guys, how's it going? This is an unboxing video. I will try to do some, what do you call it, roundabout whatnot shot for you guys, but for now, I'm gonna unbox this amazing thing that I got that has to do with this and these guys. Although the guy that I'm unboxing is not on this cover. So anyway, yeah, let me show you what it is. Hello. I finally got it, guys. I finally got it. Thanks to my friend Mike. You guys know him from my flea market videos. Star Wars Mike. He went to Toys R Us on a whim. And yeah, he came across this lovely little gem. So yeah, he made my day. I couldn't really afford it, but when else am I gonna get a chance to do this? So you know, so basically, I asked him to go back and pick it up for me. By the time I got the message, honestly, he's like, "I'm already home, and Toys R Us is 20 minutes away from me." And I'm like, "Oh no, man! Why did you then send me the picture? Now I'm gonna be completely depressed." But I couldn't afford it, but at the same time, I was like, dude, I'm not going to be able to afford it later because I'm sure this amazing Legacy Bandai product is going to just keep going up in value over time. That's not why I wanted it. I want this for my display case right there. So it's probably going to go on the top shelf right there. So we'll see how that goes. I'll probably show you after this unboxing and the spinny display thing. So anyway, whatever I remember more, I'll keep telling you. But yeah, let's get this thing unsealed. As you can see, it's completely sealed. Every single seal is sealed. So, but yeah. All right, let's get good old googly eye Rusty. No, not for this. Not Rusty. We'll go with a brand new blade on my X-Acto knife. So, yeah. The box isn't in perfect shape, to be honest with you, but I don't really care because I just don't care. It's a box. Who cares about the box? If it was in great condition, that would be great, but if it's not, I don't care. What am I catching there? Come on. There we go. Nice and easy. All right. There we go. Some directions. Naturally, Legacy Collection helmet, and whatever. I'll give you a spoiler, I'm not going to put this on, at least not on film. There's no need to. I'm not the Green Ranger, and I'm not a cosplayer, and I don't want to funk it up with whatever. So, alright, let's put this thing over here. Sorry, I'm back here. I'll put that there. Okay. So it comes in these recycled thingies. Oh man, that smells good. That Christmas morning unboxing toys smell. Okay. Alright. Recycled thing number 2. Alright, so the first thing I'm reaching out for is, carefully now, of course the stand. I'm sure most of you know what's in here, but you know. The Green Ranger, Mighty Morphin Green Ranger, yeah. So yeah, there we go, there's the stand. Get the plastic off. And wax paper. Let's see. I really should have been wearing some gloves for this. I really don't want to put any fingerprints on this so that I'm not wiping this off too often. But holy expletive deleted, Batman. Wow. Make sure I'm getting this in there. Jeez. Guys, I am amazed by the quality of this. This is done so well. All the paint is like spot on. Hold on a second. Why waste time if we can put this on the turntable now? Hold on a sec. Alright. Now, I apologize, this thing's making some crackly sounds. We'll see, maybe I'll just stop talking and do a voiceover for this. I know I'm weird, I'm putting on latex gloves. Oh, that weirdo. But honestly, this is better than like doing this review and then having to like polish all the fingerprints off and all that stuff. I'd rather not deal with that, especially not on the visor and whatever. So yeah, keep it factory fresh. Alright, let's see. Also, I got nails and stuff, so I'd rather not accidentally scuff it. There we go. Nice. Man, even I get to get a good look at this now. So anyway, yeah, this thing looks really huge, and it is huge. It's pretty much the size of a motorcycle helmet. Wow. Awesome! The back's not much to look at. But yeah, looking at all the details, they definitely took their time and I guess told their workers not to be jerks and actually get these lines filled in nicely. It looks great. Let's see. On the inside, it's not much, just a little adjuster thing. I'm not opening it. Again, I don't want to do anything to this that will put any wear on it. I got this, like, I don't make that much money. Most of my money goes into paying 2 mortgages and a whole bunch of stuff. Like, I make good money, but it all goes to bills right away. So, right now I just bought a used car, so I really could not afford this. So yeah, I pretty much had to just put up and shut up and buy this thing. So yeah, what's this? Yeah, there we go. There's disappointment. Of course. Well, I can fix it. Good thing I'm a artist. As you can see, fresh out of the box. You saw me unbox it. I did not do anything. See how the tip of that red is chipped? What a bummer, man. Oh, I'm so bummed out. Had the gloves out and everything. Now I look like a big old boob. Oh, man. It's okay. I'll paint her up. I'll paint it. Oh yeah, it's some little clips. I can get it out and paint it. I'll make it look so that no one would ever know that it's been painted. Except me, and it's mine, so who cares? Damn it, Bandai. Alright guys, so yeah. Let me put this on the stand. Show you what it looks like on this bad boy. A little bummed out, it's okay. Always look on the bright side of life, right? There we go. There it is on the stand. That's how it will be in my display case. If it fits, of course. Yeah, it'll fit. It'll fit. It'll just fit. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I am off to do my flea market pickups. So there's a ton of Power Ranger stuff that I picked up at the market, got from trades, and also as gifts. And there's a lot more coming. So like, comment, subscribe, guys. And yeah, this is what I do. So yeah, still bummed out about that chip. Jeez. Even put gloves on. God. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.